Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Saturn opposition with Sun degree wise on the 2nd August 2021. This opposition is taking place on the 2nd August at 11:44 hours, and it is exact opposition. In mundane astrology, the conjunction and opposition of planets is most important, especially when Saturn is the lord of the 10th and the 11th house of the natural zodiac, and Sun is the lord of the 5th house. And Sun and Saturn are bitter enemies, as Saturn is bitter enemy of Sun. Sun may not treat Saturn as enemy, but Saturn is definitely a bitter enemy of Sun. So this conjunction, and in the foundation chart of India, Sun and Saturn are together in the sign Cancer and in transit. Sun is in Cancer and Saturn is in Capricorn over the conjunction of Sun is over the conjunction of Saturn and Sun, and Saturn is in the sign Capricorn. For India, the affliction in the Cancer Capricorn, Taurus Scorpio axis, and then when Venus is afflicted is most time for most anguish and pain. Especially, Saturn is the 10th and the 11th lord, and in the foundation chart it is the 9th and the 10th lord, and opposition with Sun, that clearly means, and Sun is afflicted in the Pisces new moon chart by Saturn, and Sun is in the watery sign. So what it points out, it clearly points out that the country and the world will suffer on account of water and flooding. It may be tsunami also, even tsunami and earthquakes, because Saturn is also retrograde. So there may be earthquakes, there may be flooding because of flooding of water. And if you look at the past, the conjunction of Saturn and Sun is not good. If we recall, at the time of the 25th June 1975, emergency was imposed, and now the Sun and Saturn are in opposition. Of course, they are not in the sign Gemini as they were in 1975, but what my meaning is that these conjunction or opposition is very important. And Sun and Saturn opposition may bring, the prices of fertilizers may increase, prices of oil may increase, and there may be dispute. The dispute of farmers' agitation may also take an ugly dimension. All those politicians who have afflicted Sun, they may take wrong decisions and they may have to suffer on account of their decisions. Celebrities and high-ranking politicians may also suffer who have Sun afflicted in their natal chart. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to say there may be restrictions imposed by the government in the coming 13 days from the 2nd of August, and this is inclusive of lockdowns. I may also tell you that the combinations for lockdowns are also taking place. So there will be combinations starting from South India, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, and other places in the time to come. And September month is the most enigmatic month for the complete world, because the lunation on the 7th September is of 13 days, and as per Vishwapal Bhaskar and Vyaparatna, if the lunation of a particular month or a particular time is for 13 days, then it is havoc on earth. And then the transit of Sun in Virgo is also most venomous. So I can nutshell say that September month will be most enigmatic, for the complete world. And this transit from the 2nd of August, when there is opposition of Sun and Saturn, exactly at 16 degrees, and we had similar on the 27th July 1991, and there was, there was difference between Tamil Nadu and for Kaveri water. The dispute was between two states in the South India, and uh, the dispute was between the two states, and fortunately, because of water, the Tamil Nadu released the water. So we can have parallel situations now in the South India. We can have troubles as far as from water is concerned, from flooding is concerned, and we have observed in the last week that there are number of earthquakes. So the intensity of earthquake can increase, especially in the coming 13 days, and we could experience tsunami type of activities also around the world. The stock and financial markets could also be influenced adversely. Now, there can be volatility in the stock and financial markets. I may revise my predictions that Nifty has not crossed 16,000. Still, I would say that there is definitely a possibility of crossing 16,000, but then there will be volatility. The volatility will exist till 7th of September. Till 5th of September, there will be volatility in the stock and financial markets. And after that, because the planetary positions are not good in the month of September, the inflation may increase, the prices of oil may increase. So all this put together, the economy is going to suffer. And from September to November, December, we can have some correction in the stock and the financial markets. I will not say how much. When the time comes, I will let you know what will be the real impact. But I can definitely say that as far as stock markets are concerned, they will be volatile, and 2nd of August will be most important. 2nd of August and 17th of August, these two dates are most important for stock and financial markets. And that's all, friends. I just wanted to say that this opposition of Sun and Saturn will bring a change in the complete world as far as the political scenario of the world is concerned. So thank you for listening to me. Have a good day, and bye-bye.